हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग। मैं आपका टाइकोंडो टीचर लौट आया हूँ आपके लिए एक और नई वीडियो के साथ। आई होप आप लोग बहुत अच्छे होंगे। वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं सेल्फ डिफेंस। इट्स नॉट अबाउट टाइकोंडो, इट्स नॉट अबाउट फाइटिंग, इट्स नॉट अबाउट एक्सरसाइज। द वीडियो इज टोटली ऑल अबाउट self defense, how the some basic moves that you can use in a certain situations. Last time we did few self defense moves. Today we'll cover most of the self defense moves in this tutorial, so get ready and let's get started. Okay, the first basic self defense move you should know is that you have to be aware of the situation where whenever and wherever you are roaming around. You just need to know about the situation and how you respond to the situation. The best way to save yourself is to know about where you are going and where you are, and always be confident in yourself. Self defense is not about kung fu, karate, taekwondo. It's all about your confidence, how you can protect yourself, how your brain reacts at the given situation. Many of our people gets stuck in a situation, but you have to be very quick and your reflexes should be very fast. Let me tell you about the very sensitive parts of our body that can easily accessible, and no matter how much stronger someone is and he's much bigger than you and much taller than you, you can defend yourself. You need to strike at the right position, you need to react and respond at the right time and right position. And the very common points of our body is eyes. No matter how strong you can grow your muscles, you can be very bigger and muscular, but you cannot grow your eyelids. Eyelids are very sensitive in your body parts. So आँखों को आप इतना ताकतवर नहीं बना सकते, इसलिए आँखें बहुत sensitive होती है. Eyes, nose, ears and neck. These are the four basic, say, very soft parts of our body that can very easily be. So I told you about how weakest our eyes are very sensitive. Now I'm just trying to grabbing her. So what she can do, she can simply, if she apply a little pressure on my eyes, so I'll definitely leave her and go back. So okay, one more time. What you can do in that given situation? If someone is holding you, what you do, you just press the eyes with your thumbs, and no matter someone is so big and so stronger and so taller and so muscular than you, just a little pressure on his eyelids, he'll definitely leave you. Next move is an air. This is very powerful. If you hit like that, try yourself like hitting it, and that can damage someone's ear. And air are the reason we are standing here. Air makes our balance very good, and if the air is where someone attacks our ear, so we got this, we need few seconds to stabilize ourselves. So all right, so after this, the third point is nose. If someone is very sensitive, getting close to you, what you can do, if I'm getting closer to her, what she can do, she can just simply put a palm at my nose. Nose is, if you strike like this, like that, like little jerk on the nose like this, and nose will start bleeding. Nose is very sensitive. If someone just strike like this at the nose, so nose will start bleeding. And if someone is just trying to get close to you, and what you can do, just yes, okay. And another move you can do, that is just hit like this, and make sure you strike the attacker's nose with the palm like this. And if you push him away, he'll definitely go, because his nose can stand your blow with the palm. Okay, let's try again. Okay, I'm coming to grab her. Oh. See, someone is grabbing you from backward. What you can do, you can just try. Come on, hit me. Okay, so what I can do, I can just kick to the leg like this, and if he is not moving, then I'll keep kicking 1, 2, as that leaves me. Okay, just try again. Okay, I'm grabbing her from back. Now she can kick me, and just try to kick with the heel, because heel hurts very badly. Come on, try, and I'll definitely leave. Keep hitting. I know you are not stronger than the attacker, but if you keep hitting at the same time and the same place, then he'll definitely move an inch back. Just suppose someone is holding me and I can hit to the thighs. Thighs again are very sensitive. If you hit and if you keep hitting at the thighs, so he will definitely leave me. Okay, just try this. Yes, 1, 2. Keep hitting. Okay. The next situation is you're walking and someone is trying to grab you from this side. So what she can do, she can swing and okay. What she can do? Yes, I'm trying to grab her like this. Again, good. Always make sure to avoid the situation. Don't harm yourself. Alright, and the next move is if someone just holds you like this, how you can defend yourself from this situation. First of all, make sure your neck is very free and try to just with your arms and your neck, and then just try to roll. Just try to roll this side and roll like this, and now push back. Yes, and avoid and run like this. And I'm choking her from behind. First of all, make space with the neck. Save your neck. Try to use much power to save your neck. Then roll opposite side and then run back. Alright. Remember this. You have to roll this direction, because roll this side, there is the opening and there is not the opening. Just try this on the other side. Okay, now roll this side, and what will happen? She'll lock herself and she won't be able to save herself. Okay, so always roll this side. This side will definitely help you to free yourself. Okay, let's try. Yes, roll. Yes, good. Okay, got it. The idea of self-defense is not about Kung Fu, Karate and Taekwondo. Self-defense is basically anyone can do self-defense and protect yourself, but he must be aware of the brain, aware of the situation, or always be confident. If someone is approaching you with a bad intention, what you can do, suppose he's drunk and he's just trying to hit you or harm you, and he's just moving like this and coming to you. So what you can do, just remember I told you about first punch. So use this. Attack straight to the nose and straight to the neck. And one attack will definitely blow his mind after if you attack him like straight. Because he didn't expect you to attack him to the face, and he's just moving freely and he's thinking that you can't do anything, and he'll simply go and overpower you. And what you do? Just strike straight. And if you harm it, if you could, you can literally kill him if you hit him here. A little pressure and little power to the neck, and he's finished. Another thing, just try. Remember, punch number 1, 1, 2. Okay, start. Okay, this is only the single punch. I told you double punch and triple punch also. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, start. Okay. So always try these moves in a situation when it's very necessary to use it. Okay. I'm approaching her, and what she'll do, don't just hit one time. Okay, keep hitting like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just try to hit at the same time and at the same place. Because okay, what I taught you, single punch. Okay, always straight strike at the center. Okay, he's approaching me and he's not expecting me that I'll attack and I'll coming to overpower me. See, just straight. And if I can do like this, he'll finish off. Okay, come. And keep striking unless he's moving back. Okay. And okay, now remember punch number 2, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, got that? Okay, come. 1, 2. These moves, it's not only for girls, it's for everyone. Okay, he's coming. Come. First of all, make enough space, then go for the groins, strike like this, and back. Okay, come. What you are doing, you are with your elbow, you are striking, you are stopping him from coming close to you. Okay, use this part like this, and second to the groin, and he'll definitely move back. Okay, always make sure to warn someone if he's coming to me. So my first reaction should be my voice, and how I'm reacting. Just warning him. If I don't warn him, he'll definitely come and abuse me and overpower me. But if I give him big words, and this is the basic, okay, and he's very much stronger than you, and he's pushing me back. What I can do, he's just opening me, and so to the groins. All right, chain. Now another move. He's just grabbing my shoulder. Okay, he's grabbing my shoulder, and he's trying to drag me. So what I can do, I can just use his power against him like this, like this is my left arm, and I can swing like this, avoiding his grip. And now I can, if I do, I can hit at the head and second here. Okay, one more time. He's trying to me. What I do? 2, 1, 2. Got it? 1, 2. See? Bas. Pooja is standing the tagger. He's coming to her, and what she can do? Yes, come, keep पास जाने की कोशिश करते रहो, and keep striking unless he backs off. And all right, keep practicing. Stay home, be safe, and always smile.